Hello, welcome back guys to Sportarea channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to set the camera on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. So first thing first, here you just have to open the camera application and it will be look like this. For the settings camera, I'm gonna explain you from the top here guys. The first one is Google Lens. If you wanna use this feature, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet first. Here at the pop-up, I'm gonna click the first options, which is while using the app. And if you take a picture with this Google Lens, it will automatically searching the same object with the object that you captured. So yeah, as I said before, you just have to make sure that it will be connected to the internet. So here, the next one, this is the flash. The first one is the auto flash. And then here the second, the turn on flash. The last one, the turn off flash. So the next, it's for the ratio. You just have to tap on it. You can choose the ratio that you want. And also here you can choose the full screen for the camera guys. And the next one here, the timer. For the timer, the shortest is 3 seconds and the longer is 10 seconds. But here I'm gonna use the default feature, which is no timer. And next we're going to the settings of the camera. The first one is a selfie mirror. The next one is watermark. If you wanna activate the watermark, you just have to tap on this button. And the next one, the Google Lens, same as the first one, which Google Lens that I have explained it. And then here for the video, efficient video, you just have to open it if you wanna get a perfect video. So here at the general options, we have tap anywhere to capture. If you turn on the button, you just have to tap anywhere at the camera screen and it will be a capture guys. And then here for the shutter sound, you just have to tap on the button if you wanna on or turn off it. And then here the adhesive grid. This helps to arrange the compositions and straighten the image by dividing the screen into several parts guys. And here the looks like, we'll see here the grid at the screen. And the next one, we have the leveler is similar like assistive grid. If you wanna activate, you just have to tap on the button like this. And then the next one is keep last mode. This one is for last mode. When you open the camera, it will be open the last mode you used. And then the next one, here the save location. If you turn on the button, it will be a location that you take a picture in the details of photo. And about here, the result, open secure relations and version of camera. And here I'm gonna go out. This one is the button for the filter that you can use from the device guys. You just have to choose it and use it. But here, I'm gonna use the original one. And this is the button for the zoom and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Or you can also pinch out and pinch in the camera to zoom in and zoom out. And for the mode of the camera, this is the time lapse. This is a video mode and the photo mode, the portrait one, and QR code. You can also make a QR code in this camera. And then at the more options, we'll see here the night visions, the slow motion, the pro camera, and then the panorama. And yeah, here I'm gonna back to the photo. This one, this raw button is for flip the camera. And here the shutter. And the last one, this is the result of the capture. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.